Hello and welcome to Akshu's Kitchen. Today you'll see how to prepare a fish curry which is very famous in Nagarkoil and Kanyakumari area, for which you will need the following ingredients to serve approximately 2 to 3 people. 350 grams of fish cut into small pieces, 1 large lemon sized tamarind pulp, or you can use about 2 to 3 1-inch pieces, 2 teaspoons of salt and some fresh curry leaves, 3 to 4 pieces of coconut, which is approximately 1/4 of a coconut. If you are using grated coconut, you will need approximately 4 to 5 tablespoons. Half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of whole cumin seeds, that is jeera seeds, and half a teaspoon of whole black pepper, and 1 small onion, which is also called as shallot onion. 1¼ teaspoon of chili powder, 1¼ teaspoon of coriander powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. First, I am going to soak the tamarind in hot water. So the reason I am using hot water is it softens the tamarind pulp very easily. I am going to take tamarind juice out of this. So it will take around 10 to 15 minutes for that. Meanwhile, I am going to prepare the masala. For that, I am going to cut the coconut into small pieces and I am going to grind it with the other ingredients. My mixer is good in grinding the coconut, but if you think your mixer will not be able to grind it, then you can use grated coconut. As I already said, you will need about 4 to 5 tablespoons of them. Along with this, I am going to add all the other ingredients except the salt and curry leaves, the shallot onion, the black pepper, whole cumin seeds, mustard seeds, the chili powder, coriander powder, and the turmeric powder. And I'm going to grind all these ingredients together into a fine paste using about half a cup of water. I've used hot water for this so that it softens the coconut and gives a smooth paste. So next I am going to combine all these ingredients in a earthen vessel. So in Nagarkoil and Kanyakumari you can find people still using this earthen vessel for cooking this fish curry. So in this vessel I am going to transfer all the ingredients, the ground paste, the soaked tamarind. You can see it is all soft now. I am going to just use the tamarind juice and discard the pulp, and also the remaining ingredients, that is the salt and curry leaves. Also add another 1 cup of water which I have used to rinse the jar, and I am adding it. The thing to be noted is I have not put it on the stove yet. I have just mixed all the ingredients together in my worktop, and once it's all done I'm going to transfer this to the stove and I'm going to wait until it starts boiling. Now you can see initially it will be in a very dilute stage. It will start thickening once it starts boiling. So now it has started to boiling and I have allowed to boil for another 5 minutes, and now I am going to add the fish pieces to it. So the reason why I am adding the fish pieces after 5 minutes of boiling is if you add it in the initial stage it will get overcooked and will break into small pieces and you will not get the proper fish piece. So that's the reason, because fish will get cooked very easily. That's the reason I am adding at a later stage. So now again I am going to wait until it comes to a boil again and cook for further 5 minutes, or until the fish is cooked and becomes soft, and fish curry will be ready. Now you can see the fish is all soft and cooked, and also that the curry has thickened well and fish curry is almost ready. You can never find this curry in any area except Nagarkoil or Kanyakumari. It is very famous in this area and it really tastes good. It is best when served with rice. Try it and you will really like it. Thank you for watching Akshu's Kitchen.